What happens when Pakka has something in his trumpet?
The episode starts when Pakka gets his ogpog ready for a walk. He has the sponge, soap, the UFF, and the trumpet. Once it gets to Pakka's trumpet, it makes a funny noise. We met the Pontapines. Next, they were counting if they are right. Pakka's trumpet still makes the funny noise. The Pontapines heard the noise. They just want a cup of tea and TV. Upsy Daisy and Igglepiggle heard the noise. Igglepiggle falls over like when he is fainted. Upsy Daisy had a good idea for a dance. Pakka stops dancing due to a rattling in his trumpet. He pulls it out. It was a cool and blue sapphire stone which looks like glass.
Upsy Daisy calls for her bed to put the sapphire stone to where it was. The trumpet was perfect with no rattling noise. The Pontapines cheered, so now you know.